So today I want to go ahead and build something for my nightstand that is going to hold my place in books. Now I know you're thinking a bookmark, duh. But I want it to also uh, have a dedicated spot for like a glass of water or maybe a cup of tea, hot beverage of some sort, a spot for my phone, um, and obviously to hold my books. So, or a book, I should say. So let's build something like that, right? All right, there you have it. A one nightstand book holder with a spot to put tea or a glass of water or something without damaging your nightstand or table.